Hey, it's Greg Luther here. Holy crap, it is bright out. I got to put my sunglasses on. I know I hate talking to people wearing sunglasses. You can't see their eyes. But we are in Ohio today, and I'm actually doing a luxury listing presentation. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how we got this, because we're not calling leads in order to get them converted. Here's what I mean by this. If you're a real estate agent, you know the biggest problem you have is getting people on the phone, and then when you do get them on the phone, they're not real receptive to what your offer is, right? They're going to tell you, we're not in a big hurry, we're just looking, we've got somebody to help us, that type of thing. And the reason for that is people hate talking on the phone now. As a matter of fact, the phone is the least effective mechanism we have for converting them now. Now, to make that worse, you're also chasing the prospect. Now, don't get me wrong, I know you can make a lot of money on the phone. I have closed hundreds of properties from making lead calls, doing a good job with the conversion, that type of thing. I know it still works, but we've got to admit it's working less and less every single year because people don't want to be solicited. Even if they've filled out information, they're interested in buying a home or selling a home, whatever the case is, they're not interested in that phone call. And email's only getting about a 12% open rate, so you can't be emailing them either. I can't tell you how many agents I work with that say, well, do you have an email sequence I can send them? For what? That's not how you convert leads. So we're going on a luxury listing appointment here this evening. I'm helping out one of our agent members with a luxury property, and that call, we've never had a phone call with this prospect. We're providing content every single day. We follow up with these prospects, but we're not calling them and we're not emailing them. So I want you to think about this for a minute. How would you properly follow up with a prospect if you had a whole bunch of leads, if you had 200 leads and you couldn't call them and you couldn't email them? What would you do? First thing you'd think is, well, maybe I can text them, right? Well, what if you provide a video just like this every single day? What if you shoot a video from your laptop, wherever you're at? I'm at a hotel right now, at another Marriott, of course. What if you just shot a video and then did custom audience to retarget all of the people that have seen your ads, that have responded to you, all of your old leads you've gotten from Realtor.com, from Zillow.com, from Sync, all of those different programs? The last thing you want to do is be calling your prospects because they don't want the call. It's unwanted and unwelcome. And I had my head buried in the sand for years where I'd be like, well, if they won't take a call from me, then they're not even really serious. They're not motivated enough for me to work. Well, about $3 million in commission ago, that made sense. But if you truly want to be successful, here's my recommendation for you. Follow up with every lead you have every single day, and do that by providing helpful content. Shoot a quick video on Facebook Live and promote that through custom audience to everybody that's watched your stuff. What'll happen is, as you build your followers, as you build your list, as you build your unconverted leads, they're going to see that you're good at what you do, you know what you're doing, you can help them with their buying and selling needs. You'll always have some intriguing information for them. Those of you that are Inner Circle members with us here at Greg Luther Coaching, we've shown you a lot of things you can do to instantly raise their credit score 40 to 50 points, guaranteed. They can do that within 10 days. We've shown you that. We've shown you a lot of different things you can do to increase their results and ultimately buying and selling a home. So anyway, I want you to check out a quick 40-minute presentation at getfastclosings.com. You should see in the description here somewhere, getfastclosings.com. You'll see a 40-minute presentation, and we talk a little bit about that in there. Don't get me wrong, we're still using the phone, right? We're still making phone calls. We're still doing all the things we did before, but let me tell you, with all the changes that have happened in the world and how popular video has become, much like me educating you right now, that's what you need to do with your prospects every single day. Shoot a quick video and send it to them. No different than if you did that on text message. You know, you could do a FaceTime or whatever, but this is a more broad and very, very helpful type scenario, right? So we can go to everybody at once. It's more generic, but it's going to be helpful content on buying and selling a home. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I want you to think about, how could I follow up with my prospects every day? Not by saying, are you ready to buy or sell a house yet? Because that's a complete waste of time. Just by providing value for them, by educating them. The confused mind says no. So the more we can educate them, the more they'll feel like, hey, everything's lining up. Now's the perfect time for me. I've got this figured out. Now I know how the home sale contingency will work. I don't want to buy first and not have my home sold. I don't want to sell first and not be able to find a place. I've heard there's no inventory, so I'm just going to do nothing. And until you can educate them otherwise, that's what's going to happen with all of your leads. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you. I'm getting back inside. It is 95 degrees in Ohio today. I am in Columbus, Ohio today. So hopefully that is helpful. But again, I want you to check out getfastclosings.com. Let's spend 40 minutes together. Let's go over some totally free marketing you can use to grow your real estate business to get you immediate results without spending a bunch of money on advertising. A couple of things I want you to do here. First of all, if this type of stuff is helpful for you, I want you to leave a comment here. Do you like this kind of mindset stuff and changing your approach? If so, just type yes in the comments. I just want you to type yes or no if you don't think it would be helpful for you. You know, a lot of times we're stuck in our old ways of, well, I'm really good on the phone and I'm going to keep calling it. Well, that's great and you should do so, but you're really missing out on how easy it is to convert people otherwise. We're going on a luxury listing tonight. We've never even spoken on the phone. They know who we are, what we offer, everything about us, and they're interviewing one agent. So if you find that helpful, I want you to say yes in the comments here. Most importantly, you want to follow our page and turn on notifications. That's how you'll know anytime I'm providing more helpful stuff for you. Turn on notifications. So follow the page, turn on notifications, like the video if this has been helpful. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.